Assignment number 2 says we should construct a triangle XYZ such that side XY is 8 centimeters, YZ is 5 centimeters, and angle XYZ is said to be 70 degrees. So as we normally do, we have to sketch it. This is our triangle XYZ. We are told that XY is given to be 8 centimeters, YZ is 5 centimeters, and angle X and angle XYZ is given as 70 degrees. So this is what we shall be constructing today. So what we are going to do is not different from what you are thinking. We first of all construct line segment XY, which is 8 centimeters. Thereafter, we shall construct angle 70 degrees, and thereafter, on that angle 70 degrees, we then cut out the 5 centimeters of line YZ. So we shall have our line, pick a point, call it point X. XY is said to be 8 centimeters. So with X as center, a radius of 8 centimeters, we shall now extend our compass to a radius of 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. So with X as center, construct an arc on that line. That point is said to be point Y, and this is said to be 8 centimeters. Next is for us to construct angle 70 degrees. Now, since angle 70 degrees is not a special angle, all you need to do is to use your compass, is to use your protractor and construct angle 70 degrees. So you position it this way. Let this point be at that point Y, and thereafter you take your reading of 70 degrees. So counting from my left, we have our 70-degree mark somewhere here. So that's our point of 70 degrees. You then join it. Draw a straight line. Should be a thin line. Next is for us to get our point, our line segment YZ, and YZ is given to be 5 centimeters. So I'm going to measure 5 centimeters. Okay, so with Y as center, you then construct an arc to cut across 70 degrees. So this is 5 centimeters mark. Okay, this now gives me my point Z. I'm now going to join point YZ, XZ. So you draw a straight line, and this is said to be 5 centimeters. You can then measure YXZ, and by my own measurement, XZ is said to be 7 point. Now XZ is given to be 7.8 centimeters. So this is what you get when you construct. Now, so many of you may be wondering, why did I have to use the protractor in constructing angle 70 degrees? Angle 70 degrees is not a special angle, meaning you cannot get angle 70 degrees. You cannot construct angle 70 degrees when a multiple of 70 degrees is not given. So all you need to do is to use your protractor in constructing angle 70 degrees. Otherwise, if it was to be a special angle, then we would have used a pair of compasses to construct angle 70 degrees. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. I also recommend you share the link with your friends and families so they can also benefit from our daily lessons. Thank you and do have a nice day. See you in the next assignment, which is assignment number 3.